That's a great question. And as visitors of our shop can probably see, we already have a lot of variations for most of our tools and items. And the short answer is yes, we can make even more customized versions of our tools. We can add logos on the surfaces of the tools, at least on the surfaces of most tools. We can make different sizes of tools, and as you mentioned, we can make the guides for our punching cradles with some specific distances between them. And there are of course some limitations, but that's everything can be discussed. We had some pretty interesting projects before when customers ordered some pretty customized tools. For example, with the gauges, we made some stray sizes in halves of millimeters. With the corner cutting jigs, we made some corner cutting jigs with size difference down to 0.25 millimeter. And I think the most interesting project we had to date was a paper making mold that recreated the late paper pattern of some sort of medieval paper. So we measured everything really accurately and created a mold that would be able to produce paper fully compatible with an old sample, and that's supposed to go for some conservation project, paper conservation project. So yes, the answer is yes. Please send us a message or an email if you want something heavily customized. Usually we ask something around 20 to 50 pounds, depending on the type of the job that is needed to be done. And that's design work and additional handling and some operational things, maybe materials, additional materials. For some projects, it can be much more, as it was with this paper making mold, because it took much more time to design, to redesign it, and to test it. So yeah, the answer is yes.